Hi all, good evening. I welcome you all to HashLearn Studios. Myself is Girish K. So in the last class, we were doing the problems on applications of integrals, that to area under curves. So in today's class also we are going to cover few more examples on the same concept. So before we start the problems, so here is a recap that we had solved a problem in the last class practice pack. You need to find the area enclosed in the curve mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. You know that mod x is nothing but it behaves in two ways, one is plus x and one is minus x. Similarly, mod y also behaves plus y and also minus y. Okay, so when you plot all these graphs taking plus x plus y is equal to 1, plus x minus y is equal to 1, minus x plus y is equal to 1, minus x minus y is equal to 1, you will get a diagram something like this. Okay, this is a standard problem. You know that this acts as a small rectangle whose sides are 1 and 1, and you need to multiply it with 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Sanskriti, good evening. You know mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 graph, it looks like this. So you multiply this with 4 and find the area of the triangle. Half into base is 1, height is 1. So ye ho gaya half. So 4 into half will give you 2 square units. Is that okay? Yeah. Fine then. So let us go to the today's goals. We are going to cover few more examples on the same concept, angle between two curves, and here are the important results for the standard type. So you can remember all these results, they're worth remembering all these. You know that you will not have enough time to solve them, plot the graph, solve them in your main examination, but whenever you have this type as a curve and this type as the line, you can directly use the result. Area between them is del power 3 by 2 whole divided by 6 times a square, where del is the discriminant of what? ax square plus b minus m into x plus c minus k. तो आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे a फाइंड करना है, b फाइंड करना है, m फाइंड करना है, k फाइंड करना है और c फाइंड करना है. So when you have these standard type, you can directly use the formula. Okay, so in the same way you have the second result. If you have a curve like this and you have a line like this, you can directly use this result where discriminant is of this form. Similarly, when you have y is equal to quadratic equation and another quadratic equation, this is power 2, okay, this is power 2 and del is the discriminant of this. Similarly, when you have y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx, 8a square by m cube by 3m cube. When you have y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c with x axis, del a power 3 by 2 by 6a square, where del is your discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Okay, fine then. And here is an extension of the previous one. If you have x square is equal to 4ay, use this result, y is equal to mx. Then you know y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4by, we have done in the last class, 16ab by 3. Similarly, a parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x is equal to line b, you can use this. Similarly, x square is equal to 4by and the line y is equal to a, you can use this. And when you have root x plus root y is equal to root a, you can use a square by 6. Okay, yeah, Arun Prasad, yeah, these are the important results which you need to remember. So when you have the standard curves of this type, directly you write the answer. Okay, you need not draw, integrate, all those things is not needed. Just make use that to save time. These standard results are given, so please remember them and use them appropriately. Okay, fine. So with this we shall start with the problems. Yeah, we have a few more standard type. If you have a curve of this type, 3 pi by 8 times a into b. When you have a mod x plus b mod y plus c, 2c square by ab. And when you have a curves x is equal to a theta sin theta, x is equal to a 1 minus cos theta, 3 pi into a square is the area. Okay, fine then. So let us go to the problems. So each problem you will have 45 seconds, so please try to give the right choice. And here is the problem number 1. Y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. Is a square by 3. Then what is m they are asking you? He has given area as a square by 3 and they are asking you the reverse part. Yeah, time up. See, we learnt few minutes back, when you have y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx as a line, so what is the area bounded between these two? We got it here. We got the area as, you can remember this, yes, here we wrote y square is equal to 4x, y is equal to mx. It is a 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube. Okay, just I'll take the next slide. 8a square by 3m cube. This is what your area standard type. He has given this area as a square divided by 3. He has given this as a square divided by 3. That is what the area is. You can cancel 3 on both side, a square on both side. 8 will be equal to m cube. You know that m will be equal to 2. Yes, Sanskruti, that's great. Answer is B. Yeah, Arun, hope you followed the problem. Okay, fine then. Get ready for the next numerical. Next numerical is here with 45 seconds. Y is equal to 3x minus x square and y is equal to x. Area between these two curves is what? One is a parabola and the other one is a line. Y is equal to minus x. Yes, come on, Sanskruti and Arun. Left with 10 more seconds. Time up. Time up. Let's see, you know that how to draw this parabola, and this is a line, y is equal to minus x. If you want to draw the parabola, you know that when you put y as 0, what will be the curve? You will have this. So you can write it as x common, 3 minus x is equal to 0. So a hai x is equal to 0 and 3. So that is a parabola. Okay. This is a parabola. So how to draw that parabola? You know that if it is plus x square, it will open. X square will open upward. Minus x square will open downward. this is 0 and this is 3, and this is your y is equal to minus x line will be like this. Y is equal to minus x line will be like this. So what you need to do here, this is your y is equal to minus x and this is your parabola. They are intersecting at some point, right? They are intersecting at some point. So what is that point? You know that this is 0. Substitute one in the other. When you put this y as minus x is equal to 3x minus x square. So what does that will give you? This will give you 3x, that will give you 4x is equal to x square. That will give you 4x is equal to x square. X is equal to 0 is one point and x is equal to 4 is another point. So this point is nothing but 4. That point is nothing but 4. So always what you can do here is you can take area number 1. Okay. Area number 1, we got the point as 0 and up to 4. I will take the area number as 3x minus x square and I will integrate it. So 3 into x's integration is x square by 2. This is x power 4 by 4, upper limit and lower limit which you need to put. When we put upper limit minus lower limit. So lower limit is 0, you need not worry, and 4, this will give you 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 4 into 4 into 4, okay. So 4 times that will give you 24 minus, okay, 4 square is 16, 4 into 4 into 4, 16 4s are, you will have 64, okay. So what does that will give you? That will give you something minus 50. Area is giving you minus 50. Hold on, okay, keep it with you. Let us do what is area number 2 for a straight line. So when you take area number 2 for a straight line, this is going to give you 0 to 4, okay, this is minus x and dx. So what happens when you integrate? This will be x square by 2 with negative sign, okay, 0 to 4 is the limit, and when you put here, that will give you 4 square is 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 16 by 2 is 8, minus 8 you are getting, and that is minus 50 and minus 8. You are getting the answer as minus 50 and minus 8. Sir, it will be 40. Oh, is it 40? Okay, let me check. Yeah, sorry, this is 40, correct. That is 40, correct. Okay. So x is 3 into x square by 2 and x cube is, oh sorry, this is x cube by 3. Yeah, there is a small changes correction to be done here. There is a small changes to be done here, okay. Wait a second. Yeah, this is x cube by 3, right? So this is x square by 2 and x square is, this is x square, we need to integrate x cube by 3, that is 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 3. This part will be that, okay. Is it clear, Sanskruti, now? Okay, now you put the upper limit, okay. When you put upper limit, 4 square is 16 by 2, that is 24, 8 3s are, minus, that will give you 4 into 4 into 4, that will give you 64 by 3, that will give you 64 by 3. What does that will give you? 64, that is 24 into 3. So 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 72. So 72 minus 64 will give you how much? That will give you 6 7 8 by 3, okay, fine. So this is what your 8 by 3 and this is what your area is minus 8. So if you subtract one with the other, okay, 8 by 3 minus of minus 8, that will give you 8 plus 8 3s are 24 by 3 will give you 32 by 3, which is option D. Yes, option D, Sanskruti gave the answer as second D, that is right. You will get 32 divided by 3, which is option D. Yeah, Pushan, good evening man. So what we did here, we took the first curve and integrated from 0 to 4, take the second curve, integrate from 0 to 4, and you need to subtract one with the other. So when you subtract 8 by 3 with minus 8, that will give you minus of minus plus 8, you will have 32 by 3, which is answer option D. Hope you all followed. Okay, fine then. So let us get ready for the next numerical 3. Yeah, get ready for the numerical 3, and here is the problem with 45 seconds. So area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to 3x square by 4 and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. Area bounded by y is equal to 3x square by 4 and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. So one is a parabola which will open, x square is there which will open upwards, and there is a line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. Your time is up. Okay, so let us see now how to draw the graph. So this will give you so let me check, do you have any standard type here? No, you don't have standard type. So let us draw the graph. This is 4y is equal to 3x square. See, when you put x as 0, y as 0 means it is passing through origin. So when y is equal to 1, what happens to x? Y is equal to 1, your x will be 4 by 3, that is 4 by 3 inside the root, which will have plus sign and also minus sign, and this is what your 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 is a straight line. When you put x as 0, what happens to y? That will give you y will be equal to 6. Then put y as 0, x will be equal to, that is 4 3s are, that is minus 4. Okay, so your parabola x is minus 4, 1 2 3 4, then y is plus 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is your line will be like this and your parabola will be like this. Is that okay? So if you want an appropriate figure, you can always make use of Desmos graphical calculator. Okay, that will give you a clear picture of how the various graphs will come. So here what you need to do, you need to find this point and this point, starting point and ending point. How to do? You have to substitute one in the other. So let me substitute one in the other. 3x minus 2 into what is y? Y is 3x square by 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. So that will give you 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 4 cancels. You can always cancel 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 4s are 12. So that you will have 2x minus x square plus 8 is equal to 0. So you will have x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. You will have x minus 4 here, x minus 4 with minus 2, that is plus 2 here. So x is equal to minus 2 and plus 4. So you need to integrate area 1 will be from minus 2 to plus 4, 3x square by 4. This is your for parabola, and area 2 will be minus 2 to plus 4 for a line. What is that for a line? 3x plus 12 divided by 2. What is y? Y for this is 3x plus 12 by 2. Okay, if you integrate this, you will have x cube by 4, because 3 cancels. Apply the limits minus 2 to plus 4. Here you will have 3 by 2 into x square by 2 plus 12 by 2 is 6, x minus 2 to plus 4. Okay, so let me solve this area separately. What does that will give you? That will give you, this is 4 into 4 into 4 by 4, that is your upper limit. That will give you area 1 will be 16. This is your upper limit. Okay, minus, when you put lower limit, that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 will be minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. That will give you 18. Okay, and what about the second part will give you? That is 4 square. That will give you area number 2 will be, this part is 4 into 4, 3 into 4 into 4 by 4. This is 12 plus 6 4s are 24 minus, when we put the lower limit that will give you 3 minus 6 into 2 is 12. So let us check once again. This will be minus 2, that will be 4, cancel with 4, you will have 3 minus 6 2s are 12. Okay. So 24 is 36. Okay, that will give you minus sign plus sign, you will have again plus 9 here. So this will give you 45. So what does that will be the final answer? Is it 21 by 2? So that, let me check it out. Area 1 is with the straight line. Yeah, with the straight line, what is the area we are getting? With the straight line we are getting the area as 45. Okay, minus, and with the parabola, that is 3 into x square by 4, we are getting minus 18. 45 minus 18. Let me check, cross check once again the simplification part. Minus 2 to plus 4, y is equal to x square by 4. So this will give you x cube by 3. So x cube by 3, 3 cancels. So that will give you x cube by 4. So 4, when we take 4 times, that will give you upper limit 4 into 4 16, that is step correct. Minus, when I take the lower limit is minus 8 by 4 will give you minus 2, that will give you plus 18, correct. And let me take this area for 2. Okay, area when I take 2, this will give you 3x 3 by 2, that is correct. X is x square by 2, that is also correct. So when you take this as 3 into 4 into 4 by 2 into 2, 4 3s are 12, that is also correct. 6 4s are 24, that is also correct. Minus, okay, this is upper limit, minus, when you take the lower limit is get cancels, and you will have only 3, that is also correct. And when you put minus, 6 into 2 is 12, that is minus 12, that is also correct. So finally you will get 12 minus 3 is minus 9, that will give you plus 9. 45. So 45 is your parabola, and this is what you are 18. Okay, let me check with the Desmos once. So we had a curve as three x square by 4, y is equal to 3x square whole divided by 4. This is one curve, and the second curve we had is 3x minus 2y, that is 3x minus 2y plus 12. Yeah, you can observe this. This is the point minus 2, and you can observe this. This is the point plus 4. Yeah, so our values what we got was right. Whatever the values we have got, that is right. So what you can do the changes in the question, okay, in the options. So we got the area number 1 as 18, and the other area we got it as 45. So bigger minus smaller. Okay, so what is the bigger we got? That is 45 minus 18, you do it, that will give you 15. In 15 if you 8 7, and that will give you 3 27. Okay, it should be something like 27. So you can do the changes in the options given there. Okay, always your area will be bigger area minus smaller area. Fine then. So let us go to the next problem. Next is the previous class contest question. This is your parabola, and this is your S-shaped curve. Cubic is always S-shape. See, you know that this is like a S-shape. This point is 0. When you intersect these two, it will coincide at 1. This is what they have given. So what you need to do? Area number 1, 0 to 1, x square. Area number 2, 0 to 1, x cube. Yes, just integrate it. This will give you x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Integrate this, you will have x power 4 by 4, 0 to 1. This will be 1 by 3, this will be 1 by 4. So bigger minus smaller will give you, this is 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12. Yes. Congratulations Sanskruti. Sanskruti gave the right choice for the previous class contest question. You know that you have won an autumn session where you can clarify all your doubts. Okay, fine. Get ready for the next question, that is today's contest question. Ready? You will have 60 seconds, and here is the problem. Very simple problem where you have two parabolas, one on right side and one on left side. Let me see who is going to respond first. You're left with 15 more seconds. Yeah, time up. winner will be announced only in the next class. Chalo, get ready for the next question. Next question with 45 seconds. You have two curves here. You know, both are parabolas. Both are parabolas. Y is equal to x square minus 4x and y is equal to 2x minus x square. One will open upward and one will open downward. Yeah, 15 more seconds. Yeah, your time is up. So let's see. I will take the Desmos graphical calculator. So y is equal to x square minus 4x. Y is equal to x square minus 4x. And the second, y is equal to x square minus y is equal to 2x minus x square. Y is equal to 2x minus x square. Can you observe this? This is how the parabola looks like. And you can make a note of this. You can make a note of this. This is what your 0, 0 and this is what your 3, minus 3. Okay. So attention, please make a note of this graph. We are going to take the limit from 0 to plus 3. So 0 to plus 3. If I take the limits from area number 1, I'll take 0 to plus 3, that is x square minus 4x, integrate it, x cube by 3, x square by 2, upper limit 0 to 3 you put, that will give you 3, 3, 3, okay, 3 3s are 9, minus 9 2s are 18, that will give you minus 9, hold on, keep it as it is. What is area number 2? That is also 0 to 3, you will have 2x minus x square, then integrate it, what you will get? X cube by 3, upper limit and lower limit 0 to plus 3, okay. 2 to cancel, that will give you 2 square, 3 square is 9, minus 3 into 3 into 3, that will give you also 9. This part is 2 cancels, that is 3 square is 9 minus 9, that is 0, okay, leave it. So this is what your minus 9, you do area 1 minus area 2, okay. Let me take it here. So area 1 minus area 2, that will be your area required. When you do this, this is minus 9 minus 0, you know that when area is negative, it means it is coming below x axis. Therefore it is 9 square units, which is not there in the option. None of these. Here Sanskriti gave the answer, that's right. That's right. Fine then, get ready for the next problem. Let us go to the next problem. Numerical 5, you will have 45 seconds. And here is the problem. They have given you already the area and they are asking you to find the value of m. So y is equal to mx plus 2 and x is equal to 2y minus y square. The area is given as 9 by 2. You are left with 15 more seconds. And m is greater than 0, they are telling you. And your time is up. Okay, so let us see here. See, what you can do here is, here you can assume the value of m. You can assume the value of m as 1, or you can assume the value of m as 2. You can assume the value of m as 3, and you cannot assume the value of m as minus 1, because they have given you clearly m should be greater than 0. Suppose if you assume the value of m as, if you assume the value of m as 1, so what will be your answer when you assume the value of m as 1? So we are assuming, so y is equal to, that will give you x plus 2. This will give you x is equal to 2y minus y square, 2y minus y square. So how the graph of this will look like? Okay, so let me take you through. The Desmos. Quickly, the curve was y is equal to mx plus 2, y is equal to y had taken x plus 2, and what is the parabola you have? X is equal to 2y minus y square, x is equal to 2y minus x square. Yeah, so what is this? This is what your curve is. This is your minus 1.5 and this is 2. Attention, what we are getting? We are getting some decimal values. I will change this part as x is equal to 2. When I take x as 2, this is minus 1, and let me check with this part. That is 4, and I'll just take this as 3. I will do it. Okay, if I take it as 3, what happens? Can you observe here some decimal we are getting? So let me take this as 2 and do it, because when I take 2, what I am getting here? Minus 1, and this part is plus 4. So hope you all followed the logic behind the problem. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am not going to take 1, I will skip, and I will skip 3, and I will take y is equal to 2x plus 2. I got the limit as minus 1 to 4. I got the limit as minus 1 to 4. How it is? You know that I want, if you want I can show you the graph once again. This is the graph. I have taken m as 2, y is equal to 2x plus 2, it becomes 2y minus, 2y minus y square, right? This is y. Okay, let me check. This is y square. Okay, 2y minus y square is something like this. This is 2y minus y square, that is fine. Okay, let me take this as 1. When I take it as 1, what happens? This is 0, and what about this one? Minus 3. Okay, what happens when I take this as 2? This is something giving you different one. Okay, when I take this as 3, this is also decimal. Better I will take 1 and do it. See, when I take 1 here, what happens here? This is 0, and this is what your minus 3 to, sorry, this is y coordinate, right, minus 1 to plus 2. So y coordinate is minus 1 to plus 2. So I will take the graph like this, minus 1 to plus 2. So here is the problem, minus 1 to plus 2. Minus 1 to plus 2 I am going to take now. Your area number 1 will be, I am taking this as 1. What happens to x dy? What is x from this? Y minus 2 by 1. Minus 1 to 2, this is y minus 2. Area number 2 will be 2y minus y square, that is minus 1 to 2. Let us do the integration. This is y square by 2 minus 2x minus 1 to plus 2. Let me just integrate. What does that will give you? 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, minus that will give you 2 into 2 is 4, minus lower limit is minus 1, that will give you 1 by 2 and plus 2. So that will give you minus 2, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, then minus 5 by 2, that will give you minus 9 by 2. Keep it on one side. Let us do the integration for this. You will have 2 into y square by 2 minus y cube by 3. Upper limit minus 1 to 2. Let us do the simplification here. This 2 and this 2 get cancels. 2 cube is 4. This is 2 square is 4. Minus 8 by 3. This is your upper limit. And minus lower limit is 1. And that will give you plus 1 by 3. So 4 3s are 12 minus 8 is 4 by 3 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. So what is that is giving? This is 1 and this is another 1. You know that area 1 minus area 2, this part will give you 0. This part is minus 9 by 2 and that is 0. Finally, area should be always taken as positive value. Okay, when we are getting negative, area is considered as always positive. The negative sign only denotes it is on the below x axis or it will be below along minus x axis or along minus y axis. Okay, so 9 by 2 we are getting. So our assumption m is equal to 1 was correct and the answer is option A. Yeah, Pushan and Sanskruti. Problem number 5. When we take m is equal to 1, we are getting the area as 9 by 2. That is what the yeah, Sanskruti, how come y is equal to 5c? Cross verify. You can always cross verify that. We have taken m is equal to 1. When you take m is equal to 1, you will get the area as 9 by 2. If you take m as 3, you won't get 9 by 2. You can cross check. And also I have shown you this here, okay, in the Desmos. See, when you take 1 here, you are getting the numbers on y axis minus 1 and on y axis plus 2. Minus 1 to plus 2 is the limit along y axis. Therefore, you need to use the x dy formula. Yeah, Sanskruti, please check by taking m is equal to 1, which is along y axis. Integrate, you will get minus 9 by 2 because it is a negative area. Area is considered as plus. You were unable to solve it. You can try it. You can try by taking m is equal to 1 and make use of Desmos. Always Desmos will give you a clear idea how to approach the problem. Okay, fine then. So here is the summary of the class. We solved the problems on area between two curves, and thanks for joining us, students. Hope you all followed the problems what I have taught today. So now it is the time for class practice pack. So dear passport holders, your CPP will be unlocked and will be available to solve immediately after this class. So non-passport holders will not have access to CPPs. To get access, you need to subscribe for the passport. If you subscribe, you will get access to CPPs, but also you will get access to 24/7 1-to-1 dot solving session, and also you will get access to practice questions from and practice questions and tests from best selling books, and also you'll get access to all the video classes covering the toughest concepts and the problems. So please do subscribe for the passport. Thanks for joining us again. Good night.